and welcome to today's episode of Healthy Cooking with Heidi. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a healthy summer treat. We're going to make a pineapple soft serve. So what I'm using, only 2 ingredients today. I've got frozen pineapple here. So all we're doing is our pineapple, and then I'm just going to add a couple tablespoons of a plant yogurt so that it can get blending here. So we might need a little bit more. We'll start with that. And you could do this recipe in a high-powered blender as well. So whatever you have access to, a food processor or a blender are both gonna work great. I'm gonna add just a little bit more of our plant milk here. This helps get it a little bit creamier. All right, so it's a good consistency now. You can see a nice soft serve, not moving around at all. Oh wow, this looks delicious. Throw a couple strawberries on top of it. One other thing, if you want a fun activity for the kids during the summer, we could make this into a popsicle as well. All we're doing in this popsicle is keeping it fresh fruit. We don't want to use fruit juice because the juice is when all the fiber has been removed and now we just have sugar water. So in order to keep this a little bit more nutritious, let's add some of this to our popsicle maker. Freeze this up. Kids will enjoy this. Voila, now all we need to do is put this in the freezer and a couple hours later you have a fun treat. So thanks for watching today's episode